Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is my first time doing one of these videos. It's kind of a first impression. I ordered something and I'm excited to try it out. They're eyelashes, but not just any eyelashes. They are magnetic eyelashes. So I've never been one to wear falsies, but why not, you know? With this quarantine, there's nothing better to do but shop online. And I ordered them off of eBay. They're super cheap. I ordered them Thursday, March 19th, and they arrived today. Today is April 14th. So it took April 15th. I'm sorry, April 15th. It took quite a bit for it to get here. We paid $4 for it, literally. So they're super cheap. I'm not expecting anything out of the ordinary. If anything, I'm expecting these to flop and not work out for me. This is the brand. It's called MO5 Lashes. So magnetic eyeliner does come with it, and the little tweezers. You do get to pick different eyelash types that come with it, so there's quite a few options on that. I want to say that there's like 10 different options, and in those options it comes with 3 different like sets, so you don't get the same set all at once. Like the magnet part of it is like very noticeable, so I don't know how that's gonna work, being that they're gonna be on my eye. So yeah, let's get into it. It says how to use. Let me take a minute to read these instructions. Okay, so it's 1 to 2 layers of eyeliner.
And then pop your magnet lashes for bigger and stickier eyes. After using and taking off your lashes, clean the magnets so you can keep reusing them properly.
So I'm not the best at doing my eyeliner at all, so don't expect anything gorgeous out of me. Go. So this is the eyeliner that it comes with. It's cute and small. We'll see if it didn't say anything about shaking it, so it seems to be pretty runny. So that's good, right? I mean, it's not dry, so that's good. I'm just gonna give it a little. I'm gonna give it a second for it to dry because it looks really thick and wet. So I doubt I'm gonna do 2 layers. I'm just gonna stick to 1 layer and see if that doesn't work. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do the 2 layers. Make sense? Yeah, pretty easy. Bruh. Well, oh, okay. Well, that was pretty easy to clean.
Oh my god!
You know, just TikToking.
It feels good. So it's dry. I think we've gotten to the moment. They seem fine. I guess I'm gonna do the wing.
And it's not gonna be perfect, obviously, because as we already established, I suck. Don't stay away for too long. Make a cup of coffee.
Whatever. This is not even a eyeliner tutorial, so whatever, I don't care.
Okay, I suck.
So I'm gonna go with these, the little ones. This is like a Barbie's toy, like a Barbie's accessory. It's not even.
So we're just gonna go ahead and, okay, that snapped on there pretty good. There you guys go. That is pretty darn interesting. Oh my gosh, okay.
Take a look at that. Guys, I'm tugging really hard actually. Like, nothing will be tugging at your eyelashes that hard through the day or night or whatever you guys are wanting to use them for. That's insane. The edges, yo. Okay, I'm impressed. I say snap it, like let it get on there in the middle first, and then you can work on maneuvering the edges to stick on. And then all I'm doing here is just pinching it for it to be closer to my actual lash line. Okay, there you go. There you go, guys. This is pretty awesome. Guys, come on. For $4, you get 3 dramatic sets, okay? Well, these I have on, obviously. And then, so, I mean, if one works, why shouldn't the other ones, right? I'm not even, like, I was expecting them to be whack, and they're not. So, I will put down the information from eBay. That way, if you guys want to purchase them or check them out. Alright guys, so we are going to try the other ones that came in the box. Cool, cool, yeah.
So we're gonna do the taking off process. So here goes nothing. Ah, oh my gosh. Jeez. Yo. That hurt. It didn't hurt that bad, but they're on there pretty good. Which is a good thing, right? Okay.
So it comes with a magnet strip, so you guys can just like pop them on there. No mess, it's clean. I like it a lot. Remember the instructions said to clean the magnets.
These are very... Wow, I'm doing the hand thing. Come on, focus, man, focus. Okay, these are really long. Okay, not my cup of tea, okay?
Like, whoa. Okay, like.
Ow. And boom. And boom. Okay. And
yeah, really long for me. Trying these. They're very, come on, focus, focus! There we go.
come on, boom, middle. Boom. These are so easy to put on. And like you can literally feel it when it's like stuck on the magnet eyeliner. It feels like, you guys know what that means too. There you go, yeah, I think I spoke to someone on these. These are really cute, so, okay?
Let's see. Side check. That's gonna be a new TikTok. Eyelash. Yeah. Take it home with you. Okay. So let's try the removal part of them.
Ugh, scary. Alright.
Clean them because, ooh, look, you can see the magnets. Yeah, the eyeliner, magnetic eyeliner will stick onto the magnets, and obviously if there's residue on it, they won't stick properly the next time. Make sense? Makes sense, right? Yeah. Let's see if they'll come off with water. And here, let's just. At this point, I think I'm rubbing off my stinking real lashes. So that's the results with water. So now I'm gonna try the other eye with makeup remover. Anybody want to sponsor me on my first video? Just kidding. But really, lost my job because of COVID-19.
So here we go. With makeup
Yeah, if you don't want to lose eyelashes, I suggest makeup remover. Yes, I say yes. Okay, bye now.